crazy tech. The police. So Florida is really pushing technology. We saw the robot, the delivery robots that Uber Eats is using, and so a lot of stuff is going on. A lot of stuff is going on in Florida. All right, so let's give it a watch.
Police will be out in force tonight as people celebrate the new year, but one day there might not be an officer behind the wheel of a cruiser. One department in Florida is already testing out the new self-driving technology, part of a first-in-the-nation pilot program. Chris Van Cleave has more.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
This could be the police car of the future showing up behind you one day. The Miami Dade Sheriff's Office is testing the nation's first self-driving patrol car.
You'd need 20 deputies to do everything this vehicle is doing.
Sheriff Rosie Cordero-Stutz says that's because
are police officers on the chopping block? One car can do what 20 deputies can do? Wowzers. Let's see. I mean, you guys want to defund the police, right? And I'd say, you know what? We're gonna put technology in here.
Because in a year, it can log about the same number of uninterrupted patrol hours as all those deputies combined.
Does this replace a deputy on the street?
This does not replace a deputy. This augments our ability to serve our community.
So it's not quite RoboCop.
No, absolutely not. This is really.
But that is a great point that they make, though. You have more patrol cars on the street with cameras and stuff like that, and it's seeing stuff. And if there's something that's weird happening, it's going to call backup. So I would imagine there's going to be a command center where they have screens from all of the self-driving squad cars, right? And they're monitoring to see, okay, what's happening? Oh, we need to deploy human officers, or maybe RoboCops, maybe humanoid robot cops to a location. So I see that.
What I believe the integration of technology into law enforcement, what we will see as the future of law enforcement across this country.
It made a dramatic entrance at its unveiling this fall. They call it PUG, short for Police Unmanned Ground. It comes equipped with all the technology needed to operate as a self-driving car, as well as thermal imaging.
Was that a Ford? Oh, I see you, Ford. I see the play. Okay.
360-degree cameras and its own drone that can act as an eye in the sky, all sent back live to a police command center. Soon,
it has its own drone as well? That craziness.
Soon it'll be equipped with license plate readers and a way for the public to contact live deputies. PUG was built and donated by the nonprofit Policing Lab.
This is a self-driving police car.
It is. Right now, the vehicle's operating itself.
It took us and Policing Lab managing partner Sean Malinowski for a drive.
The promise of this technology is that you can use an autonomous vehicle now to give you presence in the community. So we know police presence deters crime.
So is this like, hey Siri, go police?
No, I think we're going to want to have a little more control on it than that.
For now, the cruiser, that while free to the sheriff's office would cost upwards of $200,000, will have a deputy on board acting as a safety driver. It's intended to operate on a pre-programmed patrol route and will eventually operate unmanned.
First thing that went through my mind is, how does a self-driving police car pull me over? Like if I'm speeding, what happens?
Well, it's not going to pull you over. We still need actual live deputies for that to happen. But what it will do is document the entire process. People recognize that this is a patrol vehicle. When you see a patrol vehicle in your rearview mirror, you slow down.
And make the sheriff's presence known around town with or without a deputy behind the wheel. For CBS Mornings, I'm Chris Van Cleave in Miami.
All right, thoughts?
I mean, so I like this in some respects because I know I always like pump the brakes when I see a police car,
Sure.
So that could be good. But my dad was a police officer, and I'm thinking exactly what he's probably thinking watching this: the liability if something goes wrong.
Right, because they're not
with
supposed to. Waymos are not supposed to break the law, right?
Right.
So
Yeah.
if they've
But also
gotta go,
the jobs that this could be replacing possibly, like, you know, the police departments could be hiring more officers.
they should.
Yeah.
I mean, pump those resources into hiring more cops.
Yes.
And the technology.
So that last take, it's, oh my God, like that is that lack of innovation take. Oh, it could be hiring more officers. Number one, there is a funding issue, right? And I think that, yes, hire more officers, but embrace the technology, right? If you can get the price of these vehicles down, there's no overtime. There's no overtime. You don't need a physical body in the vehicle, so it can just be cruising around town on whatever route. And let's say you have 5-10 of those, and now you leave the police, the actual human beings, to do the valuable work instead of just driving around looking for who knows what. Have them respond to actual situations. Let the robots drive around, do the menial work, and have the humans do the valuable work. Like, you have more eyes. Like, so you could be hiring more. Yeah. Okay. So let's say let's look at this, right? This car currently costs about $200,000, but it can do the job of about 20 deputies, the menial jobs of 20 deputies, while the real 20 deputies can do real work. And so let's say you were to hire 20 deputies, right, to do what the menial work that this self-driving car is going to do. How much is that cost? So let's do a little bit of research. Right? So these people do not understand business, technology, anything. These journalists, these news reporters. So let's say average salary of Miami Dade sheriff, new hire, or let's say starting. Let's see, new hire. Let's go with that. So the new hire for Miami Dade Sheriff Office as a deputy trainee starts at approximately $50,000 a year, right? Let's say that let's not say new hire, right? Let's say just average in general. Miami Dade with starting around $49K, increasing with experience. High ranking roles like commander can earn $130K to $200,000K, right? So let's say deputy sheriff, commander is $131. So let's say $60K, right? Let's say an average of 60. Let's say $60K, not including overtime, right? I'm guessing. So 20 of those, right, at $60K is $1.2 million per year, right? Am I right? 60K, 20, 12. Yeah, 1.2 million per year. Make sure I'm getting that right. Because let's say we do 60, 1, 2, 3 times 20. It is, yeah, 1.2 million. 1.2 million per year. To hire 20, so this one car doing the work of 20 deputies is $200,000 one-time fee, maintenance and stuff like that, whatever, one-time fee, right? Not $200,000 per year. So one-time fee versus 1.2 million per year to just drive around, have a drone where it can surveil stuff like that, while we leave the humans, the human cops, to do real police work, not just drive around looking for nothing, right? I like it. I like this idea. These people who make these comments, this is going to save taxpayers money. Miami-Dade taxpayers money, and whatever other city it goes to, $1.2 million per year versus $200,000 one-time fee. It seems kind of obvious to me. So I don't know. I don't know what she was talking about.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, bad breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I meant to turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention. Before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Also feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying that my knees buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side, I hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, I win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, put the ace in front of car. Keep the haters locked out, standing in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do this for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planning the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turn to the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked.